Hi there, welcome back to Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about Shazamme. Okay, not to be confused with the popular music finding app, but obviously they've got a different color as well. Anyway, it is a world-class AI-ready recruitment website. Okay, so they basically make recruitment websites for people that are looking to employ new people, which is very helpful if you're a recruiter and you want a custom-made website. One thing that straight away we could talk about that they're doing really well, especially because it's literally covering the headline. They've got an instant element of credibility with the 5-star Google ratings. Okay, this is good because if you click on it, you can literally see all the ratings, the 5-star ratings that they've received from, on Google, right, which is great in terms of credibility. And the fact that they posted this above the fold is done deliberately to have an instant air of credibility. And the headline is also clear. It shows what they do in a very transparent way. And they've got two CTAs that you can use. So here they go more in depth about all the tools that they offer. For example, you can create a drag and drop. You can create a website with easy, and you can edit it easily with drag and drop. You can create email marketing campaigns. You've got data and analytics, and you can pay as you go. So it's very helpful structure. Here they go more in depth with these nice foldable cards about what you can do. And if we scroll down a little bit more, you can see more stats about how they've helped 800 clients globally and 152 verified 5-star on Google, right? And these are, again, good for credibility. So here they've got an instant air of credibility as well in terms of the all the brands that they've helped. So this instantly gives them a lot of social proof, which is really good. Okay. Um, and then I think yeah, they just go more in depth about how it works. And the beautiful thing is they've also got a lot of case stories. And this is very powerful because these are actually um, video testimonials as well,
Hi, my name's
meaning
Cool.
that, it looks a lot better than anything, that would have been given by simple text. I think these are videos are worth downloading.
For us to move
And yeah,
forward. And ever
that's
since
it. Again, more credibility. And the good thing here is that we've also got a frequently asked questions section here where you can go and basically read a lot more about the service and how it compares to other platforms. And again, this is good to handle any objection that prospect might have. And so that's it, which takes us to the end of the homepage. If we scroll back up, let's see what booking a demo does for us. Okay, they say that you can basically book a demo and it will be 30 minutes, it'll be personalized. And the beautiful thing is that they clearly expect you, like tell you exactly what's going to happen. And this is the contact form. That's not too long, but potentially they might have added some credibility elements again, like case studies or the same brands that is shown on the homepage here, just to reinforce the positive aspect in the prospect minds. But other than that, I think it's a very good website. This therefore takes us to the end of the video. So I hope you guys like this. And if you are a SaaS founder who would like to increase their conversions from free trials to paid users, you can click on the link down below in the description. Other than that, I will see you in the next video and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.